Hi! Welcome back to my channel. It's right after Christmas and my thoughts were, let's make some food that is a little bit more healthy than what we have been eating this whole month. So I have this rice bowl. It's a little to the healthy side. Why don't I just make that? And if you think that looks delicious, you can make it too. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoy. It has apples in it. I mean, what? I always start with the rice to make sure it's done with everything else. No one wants dry or even burned rice. I fry the chicken in coconut oil. I always use coconut oil, but any oil or even butter will do. It's just my preference. I fry the chicken until it's golden brown and then I add the only spice, paprika. I love paprika. Is paprika the way you say it in English? I stir it all well together before I add the chicken broth. The broth cube had been soaking in some warm water, but it wasn't enough. I'm really forcing it to dissolve. It needs to be dissolved completely before I add the salad head that I have shredded into small pieces, not just a complete head. It's looking pretty good and it gives me the vibe of being healthy. I don't know if it is. I am no expert in health, but it gives me the feeling, and that's my favorite thing, the feeling of health. Then I add soy sauce to my dog's sadness because now he can't eat this food. Small dogs cannot have soy sauce. It is deadly to them, so says the vet. I make sure to mix it all very well together before I add the 2 apples into the wok. I used my veggie slicer to cut the apples into teeny tiny pieces for the maximal use of the apples. And I need the apples crunchy when I take a bite of the end result of this food, so I leave the peel on. It's my favorite thing about this rice bowl is the crunchiness of the apples. Apples is amazing. I cannot believe you could put that in food. Wait, that's dessert. Some people prefer pumpkin seeds to be chopped up, but I like them whole, so I add them whole into this dish. And then I just stir everything well together before the rice cooker is telling me the rice is done. And when the rice is done, I blend it all into the wok. Everything mixed together in perfect unison. It's amazing. I ended up with 7 plates of 300 grams each. It's a pretty good day for me because that means that is 3.5 days worth of dinner for me and my husband. What a time to be alive. I don't have to cook that much because I make these rice bowls, and that is the whole goal of cooking for me. Making it simple and making it last so I don't have to cook every single day. Look how beautiful it is. Okay, it's not beautiful. It could be beautifuler, but it's delicious. Apples, salad, chicken, and rice. That is the best. I love when food is crunchy. The apples, the salad, and the pumpkin seed. Perfect food. I'm so happy about this. I really shouldn't eat on camera. That is not pretty. But this food is. This food is beautiful. So delicious. And now I'm gonna eat it because I am damn hungry. Time is moving fast when you're cooking dinner. Food is so good. Okay, I'm gonna eat dinner. I enjoy the sunshine, but this is a bit much, I think. I mean, I can't see anything. This is how I record my voiceovers. A lot of light. We need curtains in the living room. I mean, wow, I am burning. One should not think that it's middle of December. This is a lot.